saving that.
Yeah, you are.
Alright,
Where's the...
I'm experimenting with a CO2 cartridge. See it? I guess we're gonna wrap it in paper like that, and we're gonna throw it in the fire and see what happens. So, let's see what happens. Here, back up a little bit, guys.
Oh my god. Oh shit! Look! Shit! Oh shit! Ah! Oh shit, I'm so scared.
This is so loud. You look cover ventilator. Dude, I hope it doesn't stop. There should be enough memory on it. I'd be pissed off.
That'd be a waste.